welcome back to the Romanelle Show, and today we are playing Rainbow Friend FNF, and here's Ellie, she's doing her homework back there.
Hi, I'm Kara. I'm going to show you how to brighten your blonde.
Alright, we can skip this.
By using Clairol Blonde Enough.
Alright, here we go. I heard the song is maybe 4 minutes. Alright, and I love Rainbow Friends. It's one of my favorite games in Poppy Playtime. I love them. Like what is better than Rainbow Friends in Poppy Playtime? Okay, here we go.
Reading is better.
Alright, so I did normal.
That is not what you told me you were doing. You're doing a rainbow thing?
Yeah, Rainbow Friends FNF. Alright, so we gotta make it. Alright.
So what is it? Is it a game?
Oh yeah, it's FNF, Friday Night Funkin', it's a good game. Oh my, yo, it's blue! The song is really good. Alright, here we go. So I'm playing right now. Okay. Oh, he's actually cute in the corner. I've only missed one.
Rose could play FNF and Rainbow Friends.
And I realized like boyfriend is like a Roblox character.
He is.
I love this song is so good. Oh, they don't show his arrows? Oh, that's weird. I didn't. Oh, he's mad in the corner. He's got some drool in the corner. Oh no, I wasn't paying attention. I've got 4. This is one of my first time playing this. This is my first time. Is that it? No. Oh, it's green. Oh, green is my favorite Rainbow Friend.
I like orange.
I think I got duped. This doesn't look like any kind of Rainbow Friends to me.
That's green. What he looks like. I have played Rainbow Friends before. I just haven't made a video about it. I should, but I don't have the right kind of recording for
Am I
that.
getting the salami?
What?
You know what this, when you say, am I getting the salami, that means I'm getting blown. Are you telling me the truth?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
Well,
Green is
where's
so
the
cool.
rainbows?
That's green right there. That's green.
These look like those critters you have.
Well, no. This is not Poppy Playtime. I'm not doing that yet. I'm
Roman, what color eyes does Grace have?
I don't know.
Green?
No, I think blue.
I don't recall.
Is it about to...
I'll mix green.
Wait, it's orange. Wait, I hear him. Oh my... His moves are kind of cool.
Yeah, he's my favorite Rainbow Friend.
I have a feeling something cool is going to happen at the end.
It is.
Wow. This is why Ellie likes orange.
No, because I like sports and to run. And he's fast.
That's true. Orange is the fastest Rainbow Friend. But purple's the biggest. Is purple going to be in this? I've never seen purple's full body.
Oh.
This song is so good.
She's looking for something good that she wants.
No, Fluffy. Oh.
Is that it? No, there's still 1 minute left. Is blue going to come? Wait a second. That's purple. Oh my, that's what purple looked. Oh, he got the mouth? I had no idea purple had a mouth. I only saw his face. Oh no. I was accidentally hitting the space bar instead of left.
How come?
This is my new favorite song.
It is?
Yeah.
Or are you just messing with us?
No, it's my favorite song.
You never told me that.
Well, because I didn't know it before. Because I just played this.
Then how are you so good at it?
Because I'm good at Friday Night Funkin'.
When you're at a point where you can pause,
Oh my god, I just flipped.
Yes.
Yeah, this is almost over.
Okay, and then go back in your parents' room and look for the other big chili bone.
So purple, oh, he's mad in the corner. Is pink next or yellow? Or red or something?
No, it's blue.
Oh my god! He's going so... hurting him. This is not good.
You got. That's so many misses. You almost have 100 misses. You're just. They got 91.
Is that it?
Yep, that's
Oh my god. Thank you guys. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye.